Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've created some cool styles or layer effects and want to reuse them later in your designs, this is how you can do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Styles panel. This feature lets you save any style you've created so you can quickly apply it again in future designs. You can find the Styles panel right here. If you don't see it, just go to Window, Factor, select Styles, and it will appear somewhere right here. Right now, there are already some default styles available, and you can use them right away. But let's focus on our own shapes and styles. As you can see, I've prepared two styled shapes, two plain shapes, and two text objects for us to test later. Let's start with this square and see what's applied to it. It has a gradient fill from blue to purple. It also has a stroke with a gradient color from light purple to light blue, and a 10-point stroke width. To save this style, I'll go to the Styles panel, click the small arrow, and choose Add Styles category. I'll name it My Styles, and click OK. Then I'll go back to the shape, right-click on it, and select Create Style. Now you can see it's added to the Styles panel. Next, let's look at the triangle. I've applied some layer effects to the shape. If I click Effects on the layer, you'll see it has Bevel/Emboss, Gradient Overlay, and Outer Shadow applied. To save this one, I'll right-click on it and select Create Style. And now it's also added to the Styles panel. You can even rename your styles. Just right-click on the style, select Rename Style, and type any name you like. Now let's apply the new styles we've just saved. I'll select this plain circle, go to the Styles panel, click on the style, and that's it. It's that easy. For the star, I'll select it and click the other style to apply. Now let's try applying styles to text. I'll select this text and click the style. Then I'll select the other text and apply the second style. After applying a style, you can still make adjustments. For example, you can change the fill color, stroke color, or stroke width. For shapes with effects, you can go to the Layers panel, click on Effects, and tweak the settings however you like. And the best part is, once your styles are saved in the Styles panel, you can reuse them anytime, even in other documents. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.